What's going on? Hi, I'm getting my coffee. Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon, everyone, or good evening, everyone. Weather has been really strange. It's like 1 minute it's sunny and 1 minute it's rainy. I feel like I'm in Colorado. At least it's not really cold, and I'm really not looking forward to the freeze. What is that?
Uh-oh. You want to buy it?
Who is that? Who's that? Daddy Shark? Where's Grandma Shark? Huh? Grandma Shark? Oh. Where's Baby Shark? Baby Shark? Is Baby Shark over here too? Oh. You see the light. Let's go. Okay, here, Hunter. You gotta throw it in there to be clean.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Ready? Throw it.
This is what I want to eat.
Yeah, throw it in the dishwasher. Go ahead. Yay, good job. Give me 5.
Yeah.
We cleaning.
Yay!
Yay. We're getting ready to go to the store, but you gotta put your jacket, you gotta put your coat on. Are you cold? Or you don't like the jacket? Oh, but you gotta wear it because it's cold outside, okay? I like to shop at night because there is nobody here. And I think I have everything on my checklist off. Okay, stay away from the chips, Vicky. You can do. You can control. Just having some dinner to myself. I made this delicious plate. Oh my gosh, you guys just don't know. It's similar to like an Asian salad, or it's got tomatoes, thinly sliced tomatoes, and thinly sliced onions and some cucumbers, and you just eat it with rice. So I am about to taste test and see if it's really good. My sister walked me through it per usual. How does it look?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I gotta show Mom.
You're supposed to use that big lettuce and wrap it all on there.
Wrap it in here. Oops.
Why do you sound like you have a cold?
I know, I think I do. Craig is gonna try it.
How do you do this?
He ain't gonna eat it with rice.
It's too flimsy.
Taco it.
It's good.
Yeah.
Thank you. The rice noodles. Oh, you don't know what you would call it in American?
No.
Oh. Mom, can you say hi, YouTube?
Hi, YouTube. What do you mean?
I'm recording you. Thought I was working?
Yeah. I saw you go in the house and get at that room.
I know, that house is huge.
I'll see limit. Of course, they talk about how we job and I job what I know you're not a peanut. You talk along. You guys can back me.
Where are you, Chenta?
I'm here. One story? It's two stories. Yeah. I saw me at Yeah, me
It's so cute. My mom watches my YouTube videos, and she'll tell me certain things, and I got lettuce in my tooth. She sees my little baby running around, and
Come here.
it's so cute. She watches my video. In my latest video, she was like, I thought you were working. I'm like, no, I wish I was. But yeah, it's so cute. She watches them. Excuse my manners. Like, Anthony likes it too. Scrumdiddlyumptious. All right, well, I am going to enjoy my dinner, and I will see y'all later.